नमस्ते सभी को, स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री के बारे में। और रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री ने Q3 फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2026 का रिजल्ट रिक्वेस्ट कर दिया। और रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री मिसेस Q3 प्रॉफिट एस्टिमेट्स बाय रेवेन्यू रेस्ट 11% YoY, Jio ARPU growth at 5.1% YoY. Reliance Industry RIL Q3 result live. Reliance Industry reported marginal YoY profit growth in Q3, while revenue for operation recorded double-digit increase during the quarter. Jio average revenue per user ARPU increased to Rs 213.7 from Rs 211.4 sequentially. Mukesh Ambani-led Reliance Industries Ltd reported a largely flat performance on the profit front in the December quarter, with consolidated net profit inching up 0.56% year-on-year to Rs 18,645 crore. Attributable to the shareholder, revenue from operational, however, saw stronger momentum, rising 11% YoY to Rs 2.69 lakhs crore. The result point to resilient top-line growth even as profit expansion remained muted during the quarter. Reliance Industries Q2 result profit grew flat at Rs 18,645 crore, revenue up 11%. Reliance Jio Q3 result financial year 2026 profit jumps 11% YoY to Rs 7.629 crore. ARPU raised to Rs 213.7. Jio Platform Ltd on Friday reported that its December quarter profit after tax jumps 11.2% year-on-year to Rs 7,629 crore, while its revenue from operational rose 12.7% to 37,263 crore during the quarter. Jio average revenue per user ARPU increased to Rs 213.7 from Rs 211.4 sequentially. Our internal business also had, आप लोगों ने देखा, जो रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री ने जो Q3 रिजल्ट डिस्क्लोज कर दिया कंपनी ने। और आप लोगों ने देखा जो फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2026 का जो Q3 का रिजल्ट अभी डिस्क्लोज कर दिया कंपनी ने। Reliance Industries Q3 Financial Year 2026 Result Live. Reliance Jio Q3 Financial Year 2026 Operational Highlight. ARPU increased to Rs 213.7, supported by higher customer engagement, partly offset by promotional offers for the unlimited 5G and fixed broadband service. Per capita data consumption stood at 40.7 GB per month, with total data traffic growing 34% year-on-year during Q3 financial year 2026. Thank you.